Hello everyone. Welcome in Nature's Haven. Today the topic is harvest. The harvest season is a time of great significance in many cultures around the world. It marks the culmination of months of hard work, planning, and nurturing of crops, and it symbolizes abundance, prosperity, and the fulfillment of life cycles. This bountiful time of year brings with it a sense of gratitude, celebration, and an opportunity for communities to come together. The bounty of nature. The harvest season typically occurs in the autumn, as the weather begins to cool and daylight hours decrease. During this time, farmers and gardeners reap the rewards of their labor, gathering crops like wheat, corn, pumpkins, apples, grapes, and more. It's a period when the earth generously provides the sustenance needed to feed families and communities throughout the year. A time for celebration. Harvest festivals are common worldwide and are celebrated with joy and enthusiasm. These festivals often include a variety of traditions, such as feasting, parades, music, dancing, and the creation of intricate displays of harvested goods. In the United States, Thanksgiving is perhaps the most well-known harvest celebration, bringing families and friends together to share a meal and express gratitude for the year's blessings. Gratitude and reflection. Harvest is not just about reaping crops. It's also a time for reflection and gratitude. It reminds us of the interconnectedness of all living things and the importance of working in harmony with nature. Farmers, in particular, appreciate the significance of the harvest season as it represents the culmination of their dedication and hard work. Harvest around the world. Different regions and cultures have their own unique harvest traditions and festivals. For example, the Mid-Autumn Festival in China celebrates the harvest of rice and the beauty of the full moon. In India, the festival of Pongal marks the harvest of crops like rice and sugarcane. The Jewish holiday of Sukkot is a harvest festival that involves building temporary shelters and expressing gratitude for the abundance of the land. Harvest in modern times. While the significance of the harvest season remains strong in agricultural communities, many people in urban areas have become disconnected from the agricultural cycle. Nevertheless, the spirit of harvest continues in the form of farmers' markets, where locally grown produce is celebrated, and in the ongoing tradition of giving thanks for the food on our tables. In conclusion, the harvest season is a time to appreciate the earth's generosity, acknowledge the hard work of those who cultivate our food, and express gratitude for the abundance that sustains us. It's a season that brings people together, fostering a sense of community and a deeper connection to the rhythms of nature. Whether you're celebrating with a traditional harvest festival or simply taking a moment to give thanks, the harvest season reminds us to be grateful for the abundance in our lives. The harvest is a time-honored tradition deeply rooted in the agricultural history of humanity. It is a season of reaping the rewards of hard work, patience, and a deep connection to the land. As the summer sun gradually surrenders to the cooler embrace of autumn, fields and orchards burst forth with abundance, showcasing the beauty of nature's cycles. During the harvest season, farmers and growers gather the fruits of their labor, collecting grains, fruits, vegetables, and other crops that have flourished throughout the year. This period of plenty is not just about gathering sustenance, but also celebrating the harmony between humanity and the earth. Here are some key aspects of the harvest. Gratitude. The harvest season is a time for expressing gratitude. Farmers and communities come together to thank the land for its generosity. It's a reminder of our reliance on the earth's resources and the need to care for and protect our environment. Festivals. Many cultures around the world mark the harvest with vibrant festivals and ceremonies. These celebrations often feature music, dance, feasting, and communal activities that strengthen bonds within communities. Food preservation. Harvest is not only about immediate consumption, but also preparing for the future. People engage in food preservation techniques like canning, drying, and pickling to ensure that the harvest bounty can be enjoyed throughout the year. Seasonal delights. The foods harvested during this time often become the stars of seasonal cuisine. From apple pies to pumpkin spice lattes, The flavors of the harvest are celebrated in various dishes that warm our hearts and souls. Sustainability. In modern times, the harvest has taken on new significance as we strive for sustainable and eco-friendly farming practices. Many people are reconnecting with the idea of local, organic, and seasonal food, recognizing the importance of responsible agriculture.